Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. We are here with Zahra Walji, who is a notary of Boundary Notaries. Zahra, thank you for joining us today.
You're welcome. Hi, everyone.
So we wanted to discuss in our first video today the role of a notary versus a lawyer. So I obviously get asked this question pretty much every day in what I do. And I want to let the expert answer this question. So why would someone use a notary over a lawyer? And we'll start specifically then with mortgage conveyancing.
So with mortgage conveyancing, we get this question all the time as well. And so a notary and a lawyer, the main difference is that a notary does not deal with contentious legal matters. So they don't go to court, essentially. And so in the actual transaction, we're doing the same thing.
So I've heard you call this happy law. You deal with happy law only.
Yes.
Yes, the fun side of it. So not where something goes wrong and you need someone to litigate for you, I guess. That's what you're saying.
Exactly. So what we mostly focus on is the conveyancing piece, so the transfer. We also do personal planning documents like wills and power of attorneys, and then we do notarizations as well.
Yeah, so normally we would refer someone to you for mortgage conveyancing, but of course, as a part of how I do my business, we always recommend looking at updating or creating new wills and powers of attorney, because obviously a client's adjusting their financial plan, buying a piece of real estate. So you can assist with all of those transactions or pieces of their plan as well?
Absolutely. So we do wills, we do power of attorneys and representation agreements. Now, one of the things that we can't do is complicated wills, but we have very like a wide range of lawyers that we do recommend if we are unable to do certain things like trusts.
Okay. Now, we now know then notary to lawyer, who to choose. Now, why would someone choose you over another notary? Or why would someone choose to work with you and at Boundary Notaries over someone else? Or how does one go about selecting a notary of choice?
So a lot of the times we do have recommendations. So if your mortgage broker or your realtor is recommending us, that's one of the main reasons why. In the actual transaction piece, we're working as a team. So it's very nice to actually have a mortgage broker and a realtor be able to contact the notary directly. And we at Boundary Notaries are a boutique firm. So we're in direct contact with both, like the entire team the whole time.
Yeah. So I guess being a boutique firm too makes it easier for you to sort of be quick on your feet. If something changes last minute or a document's missing and you need to reach out and help the client with that.
Absolutely. So if there was like a delay in funding or anything like that, mortgage brokers will usually tell us right away. So it's kind of like we keep everyone informed. This way the realtor has like set documentation to say potentially if they did need an extension.
And last question then of working with you at Boundary Notaries, obviously we're doing this interview over Zoom as a necessity. Are you also engaging with clients over Zoom? Are you doing in-person meetings? How are you running the business right now?
So in the transaction piece, the main focus is that with the contract, with the mortgage documents, you never see the clients. So for us at our firm, we are signing with the clients directly. So they are coming in. We're making it a quick transaction in terms of the signing, but a majority of the information gathering is done over the phone and sometimes over Zoom.
Awesome. So super easy.
Yeah.
Great. Well, Zahra, thank you. If anyone watching today has more questions, we've probably piqued someone's interest with a question. How do they reach you?
So you can contact me through our telephone, of course, or our email, and I'm sure Katie will post that.
Yeah, I can put all the info for your website and everything on or down in the show notes. So Zahra, thank you for your time. Appreciate it. I know it's a very, very busy year, so definitely appreciate the time. But if anyone watching does have a question, please feel free to reach out to Zahra. It may take her a day or so to get back to you, depending on the mortgage volumes we're sending her way. But I'm sure she'll be happy to respond. So thank you, Zahra. And thank you everyone for watching. We'll be back again soon.